Regardless of the size or sector, manufacturers today have a compelling need to improve their performance due to market volatility and competition. And original equipment manufacturers or OEMs are not an exemption to this. Among many strategies for process improvement that manufacturers used in the past, lean has been a prominent one. A few of the well known lean principles, such as value creation by elimination of waste, process simplification, and standardization, all of this have resulted in reduction of cost and incremental flexibility in organizations by chipping down the non value added activities and thereby enhancing the productivity in firms. While the success stories of lean have been enormous, the literature and the practitioners also point to acute criticisms. One major criticism that managers claim about lean is about its lack of data driven approach to continuous improvement. As the world is becoming more volatile, more uncertain, complex, and ambiguous, which we shortly call as VUCA, exploring manufacturing plant performance and mapping the pattern of operations based on real time data that becomes critical and helps in organizational decision making. Now, one way to overcome this challenge is to blend lean with the emerging digital technologies. Technologies like the Internet of Things that provide real time monitoring of operations data, when blended with the original lean thinking or lean principles, can contribute to effective process improvements relevant to the current digital era. We examined this phenomenon using the S curve theory in this research. Basically, the S curve theory explains that the innovation from its slow early beginnings, as the technology and the processes are developing, to an acceleration phase, that means a steeper line, and it matures, and finally to its stabilization over time, that is the flattening line. And this reflects in corresponding increase in the operational performance of the organizations using the technology blended with lean. The proposed method of using well known lean tools like value stream mapping with emerging technologies like Internet of Things, we portray that the changeover activities and the standardizing them using single minute exchange of die, that is the SMED technique, to reduce the overall changeover time. This provides real time active solutions for decision making, for prediction, and thereby planning for resources. It also assists the industrial units in getting better insights into their productivity improvisation and continuous improvement with alignment with market evaluation trends. So, this study actually proposed an IoT driven ecosystem in an OEM setting for effective decision making. Specifically, this study is tested in an automotive OEM where it has reduced the changeover time by about 75% and an overall productivity increase by about 28%. Such an ecosystem, we believe, would contribute to the organizational transformation and promotes innovation and operational performance. So, blending lean with emerging digital technologies is the key for operational success in the current digital era.